Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing how you can use Trivy in client-server mode. As you know, Trivy is an open source tool that we developed at Aqua, and it can help you find vulnerabilities in your Docker images. As you can see in the previous video that Liz did, you can run Trivy as a daemon, as a client, as a CLI tool. But in addition, today I will show you how you can run Trivy in a client-server mode. Some of the examples might include running in a place where you have many different client nodes and you'd like to talk to a central server that happens to live um, in a central location, or even might be in various different distributed places. And running in in a CLI fashion is not an option for you. So you can use the client server model, which Trivy supports. Um, so I'll jump into it, and I'll also talk about some of its details, what it does behind the scenes. So to start off, I'll show you the two options that are available with Trivy. As you can see, there are various options that you can pass to the command line tool, but also, in addition, Trivy supports the server mode and the client mode. So on the left, I'll show you server in action. So I'll start off the server. It'll start listening on a specified port, in this case 4954. And on the right, I will start Trivy in client mode. So as you can see, these are some of the options that the client mode supports. Like I mentioned, you can run Trivy server anywhere you want. So in this case, you can see there's an option for remote. Here you can specify the remote address of the Trivy server. In this case, by default, it happens to be localhost, but as I mentioned, you can have it anywhere you want it to be. So before I show you a demo of how it works, I'll briefly talk about how it works behind the scenes. So Trivy uses RPC, or specifically Twirp, as its communication protocol between the client and the server. So the client talks to the server and they both communicate back and forth using RPC. We chose Twirp because it's fairly lightweight and it's fairly easy to prototype and develop for. Also, we've had good experiences in maintaining it, so we've been very happy with it. All right, so now on the right, I'll show you a quick demo of an example of using Trivy to scan for vulnerabilities. In this case, I will use the Alpine 3.10.2 image, and I want the output in JSON format, and I'll pop it to JQ to make it look pretty. So once I do that, you can see it goes right away and finds all the vulnerabilities that are in 3.10.2. And this output is almost the same. In fact, it is exactly the same as if you were to run Trivy in CLI mode. So to show you an example, another example, let's say we picked barely an image of 311. That does not happen to have any vulnerabilities as of recording this video. So there you have it. That's how you can use Trivy in client-server mode in case using it as a CLI is not an option for you, or you happen to have a different use case. And for more on this, you can check out our Git repo, which has the implementation for all three options, client, server, and the standard CLI way of using it. And head over to our GitHub repo for more details. Thanks.